Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry. I am here to take you through the digital transformation journey at Polycab. So, my name is 𝗍𝗏𝗍𝗂𝗰 and I represent operations. And my colleague Nitin Neve, he represents quality. So, without wasting much of the time, I would like to give you a comprehensive overview of enterprise digital solution. Before that, just a little bit about Polycab. We are the leading manufacturer of wires and cables in India, renowned for its commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. And this plant is a special purpose cable plant, and where we produce special cables for various applications like defense, railways, and other important applications. So, wires and cables business for Polycab is at 84% of 22,500 crore turnover, and we are only representing this particular unit is representing 10% of the total turnover. So while we go for digital journey, operational excellence, driving operational efficiency was in our mind, and leveraging digitalization for manufacturing excellence was the key. So with these two objectives, we went about this journey, but we faced various challenges. First of all, the production challenges, like excessive WIP inventory levels were there. High human dependency in terms of data entry operations, and non-transparency of data was there. Overall, low equipment effectiveness was there. Slow data retrieval processes, lack of traceability systems. So there, our goal was to enhance productivity, performance, and business growth through digital optimization, to connect the machines in such a way that we can drive operational improvement through various improvement initiatives. The second was, we have ITI workers, so mostly untrained workers, so we had to do training. We did not have adequate training modules. In certain cases, there were no visualization tools. There were delayed response to various issues. So operator was not the owner of the machine. So the goal there was to skill these workforce operators, who are primarily ITIs, and building capability across the level of operation. The third was new product development. There were a lot of issues in terms of new product development because it was not seamless. There were project delays and inefficiencies, and no live status visibility was available. And for EHS, there was no digital compliance platform, inadequate safety records, lack of proper analysis, there was no general awareness, and delayed. So these were the challenges. Now, when we started this journey, our aim was to have an aligned digital information flow across the shop floor. So the first level was to have automated production exchange, where automated planning, production records, operator logins, downtime tracking. So act on the right information to reduce the downtimes and wastage. That was our primary objective. Second was paperless work centers, digital SOPs, checklist, daily production reports which were digital, and your transmission of these reports were digital. Online inspection data, which means that anything which is conveyed to the operator would be through the system. So monitor and improve the productivity and OE was this thing. Then paperless processes and visual communication, which means that maintenance alerts, if any, they have to go digitally. Quality control issues have to be transmitted digitally. If something like startup approval is there, then that also has to be, digitally controlled. Then automated scheduling, fast morning meetings, error-free priorities, dynamic adjustments. These were the, things which we decided to align. So, going by I'll walk you through the process. As soon as any material comes at the gate, the first checkpoint which is digitized, so the truck which is entering will be given a RFID tag. That RFID tag will have all the data of the invoices which it had bring in. It will go to the machine, weighing machine, which is an automated machine. And the data will be stored in the tag itself and in the system. Now this tag is going to flow the information for the GRN, quantity and quality, verifications. And later on, once it is checked in stores, would be moved to the Oracle bin. So entire process is completely digitized. Yeah. Now, coming to sales order creation. So we made the sales order creation and its workflow into the work order and a job order also digital. In the sense that we have our workflow defined where sales order is created, and then based on, we have a vector flow system which manages our inventory. And this vector flow system is based upon theory of constraints, wherein we achieve the availability all across our 32 depots to be greater than 95% always. So whenever there is anybody who takes the stock out of the depots, the automatic work order is created at the back end, and these are accumulated at each plant. So for this plant, the accumulation of work orders will happen in the night. The work orders punched during the day for MTOs, which are very specific to customers, also will happen during the day. And in the night, there will be a prioritization in the system of Oracle, which will happen, wherein the routing will decide where each SKU has to go. And in the morning, we have a system which is, the machine planning system, where the job card will be printed and it will be given to the machine. This job card will have a QR code, which will have a QR code which the machine operator will scan. So machine operator will have a scanner tool available with him. He will scan the job order and he will scan the bobbin, the input material, based on which the backflush in the workflow of Oracle for bill of material will happen automatically. And once the production is completed, automatically the entries will flow into Oracle through our in-between system, which we call a VI system. Now in the VI system, in order to empower the operator, we have provided the login for the operator. The first is the 5S checklist, which operator has to do. He selects and assigns the job. Then technical data sheet, if he has to cross-reference any, is available right there on the screen. The operator loads the correct recipe for the job in the machine by just scanning the job order. So it is an automatic loading of the recipe. And then the first piece approval, FPA, for that particular startup will go to the QA, and QA will do the approval, and it will come back to the operator, and it will be shown on the operator's screen as an approved status. So various screens are there, where DPR, daily production, target speed versus actual speed, downtime reasons, energy consumption, FUGI, OEE, and dashboard visualization in terms of bar chart or online charts will come. So continuing with the process flow, it goes into the FG store. So the complete process flow is like that the material is flowing in first in and first out basis. So each and every element, or let's say a trolley or a bobbin or a bin, will have a unique QR code. So anybody who wants to dispatch the material which is not in FIFO will not be able to do it. So once that is achieved, the packing list is generated and the invoice happens only with the correct scanning of the barcodes. So this rack is a dynamic rack in which the locations are stored in the system as per the FIFO. Based on everything, QA PDIR is made, which means that delivery report, a dispatch inspection report is made, which is given to the customer along with the. Now, for this, we have covered the entire system, which means that end-to-end system is digitized. There are certain aspects which we are still working on, which is something like machine downtime reasons, where we need very, very special sensors, so that we predict the downtime, per se. That is still going on. So for operators, we have an interface which provides production plans, quality checks, checklists, immediate feedback, and feedback of performance. For every operator, you know how much performance he has done during the day. For supervisors, he knows real-time monitoring, what is happening, where the alerts have happened. And these alerts are real-time alerts that will go to maintenance or to any other function for which the alert is meant for. For management, it is a comprehensive analysis of operational efficiency, resource utilization, and continuous improvement. For top management, it shows plant OE, capacity utilization, and key performance indicators. Now, this is some of the paperless work center where for operator empowerment, these are some of the screens which you can see very easily. So at a click of the button, he is able to see all these screens. Besides that, even the technical sheets he is able to see right from the machine, and he is empowered to stop the machine at any point in time. And remember, these are ITI operators. These are not even diploma operators to whom we have trained for scanning. We have trained to follow the process, the SOP. And they are doing it absolutely well because they are the ones who are used to cyclic nature of work. So once they are trained to do it, they do it with utmost sincerity. So this is the live production visualization, where the job order is there, the quantity is there, against job order, how he is faring, intelligent downtime capturing is there, and FUGAI maintenance tool where, operators will clearly have visibility and they can tag, and maintenance can review their activities and they can normally do it. So this I have added. These are the manager's experiences. This is the downtime Pareto, which will come automatically. And these are some OE trends, capacity utilization, and strategic KPI monitoring. Now, since this was the pilot plant which we implemented, there are other things which are there, which includes the tracker. The sales can track their orders online. The traceability of each and every material throughout the system is visible, and real-time visibility of order status is there. So even the salespeople can do it. So this has been completed, and this is the planning workflow where daily machine plans, made to order, made to stock, Oracle here. An entire system is based on Oracle ERP and some small softwares connected to Oracle ERP, a very low-cost kind of a solution, which we have implemented. Now, utilization, we could improve by 67%. Availability, we could improve by 16%. MTBF, we could improve by 233%. Performance, we could improve by 15%. Quality, since we have all online quality tools, so our quality before was also 0 ppm and now also is 0 ppm. Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, 33% improvement. OTIF, we are at 100%. Safety, we remain at 0 incidents. And 5S, 80 to 90%, between 80 to 90% of the score we sustain because we have our audits which are there. IT team, operations team, quality team, and supply chain team, they are the ones who have been recognized by the management. And just in order to show how the shop floor will look like and what the real shop floor is, you can see.
And Polycab's special purpose cables plant has fully embraced this shift to drive manufacturing excellence. By leveraging IoT 4.0 technologies, we have enabled end-to-end digital orchestration that ensures the optimal alignment of man, machine, materials, and methods at every stage of production. This transformation is powered by a suite of smart applications deployed across the plant, each contributing to improved functional efficiency. Oracle ERP system acts as a background, connecting planning with shop floor execution by generating QR-coded job cards containing all required specifications. The real-time inventory status is available for accurate planning. The production priorities are determined by the vector flow tool, using a color-coded system based on the market needs. These QR codes are scanned at the production stage using mobile supplier chain application to ensure the correct job gets assigned to the correct machine. Unique QR codes are also assigned to each raw material, semi-finished goods, and finished goods. Scanning these codes at every manufacturing stage provides complete traceability and FIFO compliance. On the shop floor, the SI system brings IIoT and automation, enabling operators to view production plans directly on the machines and coordinate with the quality team for first-part approval. The SI system also tracks production output, interruptions, downtime, and energy usage of each machine to improve OEE and operational efficiency. Fugai empowers operators to report machine issues for rapid maintenance action and reduced downtime. New product development is managed on IMexS, which digitally supports each stage from conceptualization to risk review, control definition, digital reviews, warranty tracking, and total productive maintenance to ensure compliance and operational excellence. Based on daily production reports, IMexS also notifies tools which need maintenance, ensuring timely tool maintenance. Employees access all key applications through 𝗂𝗏𝗏, an integrated digital gateway for unique item code generation, internal feedback, and real-time insights. The calibration management system monitors calibration dates, calibration certificates, and tool change requirements across the production flow. Continuous improvement is supported by the Kaizen support tool, allowing employees to submit improvement ideas. Approved initiatives are published across all units, enabling rapid adoption of best practices. The 𝗟𝗏 HSEMS digitizes safety observations, automatically routing HSE team insights to the respective plant teams for resolution. To streamline visitor validation and prevent unauthorized entry, a digital gate entry management system, 𝗿𝗏𝗏𝗏, is used. The IT support tool enables employees to raise system-related requests, while the compliance management tool gives a clear view of required statutory and regulatory obligations across departments. Finally, the training and skill development of new joinees and existing workforce are reinforced through mini dojo and operator enablement, offering structured onboarding and digital learning resources. The operators are enabled through job-specific animated SOP videos. Together, these solutions create a connected and intelligent manufacturing environment. Polycab's special purpose cables plant achieves manufacturing excellence, not just through smart systems, but through smart people who know how to use them. The result? Precision, transparency, and operational excellence across every stage of production.
Polycab.
Thank you.
We'll have quick questions from the jury.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Wonderful insight to what has happened within the plant. I just have one curious question as to how has this changed your customer experience?
So, since we are a special cable division of Polycab, we have a lot of customers who are in automotive domain and who are in, all very special domains like aerospace cables or shipbuilding cables, etc. So whoever comes to our plant, I will not name the customers, but all have given us A grades whenever they come for audit. We have been maintaining 0 ppm levels and 100% OTIF levels for all our customers, thereby giving them, very good level of satisfaction.
Good afternoon, Himanshuji. Good afternoon, Nitinji. Nice to see you again.
Thank you, sir.
I have only, I know we have been there. Just want to ask you, how is the feedback from your workforce to all this transformation which you are bringing around in the shop floor?
So, yeah, very good question. Training them is a must. Unless and until you explain them and train them, both in the classroom fashion as well as on the shop floor, and be with them for weeks together. You have to, tell them each and everything because they might not understand, various nuances. Give them the locally printed SOPs in local language so that they always keep it with them while they practice it on the shop floor. These are the things. Second is, since we are a growing organization and our growth rate is approximately 20 to 22% plus CAGR, we told them that your job is safe. If there is, something like, because of this data, we practice VSMs. So we have made a lot of VSM improvements in terms of all the other improvements which we have shown. And there the manpower is reduced. So if the manpower is reduced, we put them into other jobs. We put them into our other factories. But for them, threat of the job is not there, which is the main issue, which remains the main issue. But main thing, again, if you are able to train these guys who are ITIs, they are not going to let you down by not doing their work because they are habitual to doing cyclic work. So they will do it come what may. And that's why the system will survive. Something like this has never happened, that somebody has forgotten to punch the production. Or somebody has forgotten to scan a particular bomb. Because if you do not do one thing, the system stops there. You will not be able to, find the material for the other process, the next process. So for us, sometimes when the system stops, we have to go and we have to find out what the real reason is, and do not snub them or do not, cause trouble to them, but to make sure that they learn from that and secondly, this mistake never happens again. I mean, we have to be very positive with the whole experience. Then only the positivity will come to them.
Thank you very much.